Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Open the App Store and install Doodle Copy in 2 taps. Launch the app and allow clipboard permissions when prompted. Sign in with email or Google account within 3 steps. Choose a default language and set your preferred voice for narration. Review the onboarding tips that explain templates, shortcuts, and export options. Grant permission for notifications to receive quick copy alerts and updates. You are now ready to start capturing, editing, and exporting Doodle copies without delay. Tap New Doodle and select a template from 5 options. Use the pen tool to sketch and the text tool to add captions. Position stickers and shapes precisely using the grid and snapping feature. Adjust stroke width and opacity using the sliders on the right panel. Save drafts automatically every 30 seconds to avoid losing work. Export as PNG, SVG, or copy text to clipboard with 1 tap. Share directly to email or messaging apps using the integrated share. Use keyboard shortcut Control +Shift+C to copy selected doodles quickly. Create reusable templates and store up to 20 custom layouts for faster work. Enable Cloud Sync to access doodles across 3 devices seamlessly. Combine layers and group elements to move complex designs in one action. Use version history to revert to any prior save within 30 days. Export high-resolution images at 300 dpi for printing or professional use. Regularly backup exports to cloud storage to secure your creative assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.